Welcome back. We have an update on the defamation case filed by the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma against the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. Sisodia being forced to withdraw the case, with the case being quashed in the Supreme Court and also being pulled up by the bench. The Supreme Court bench saying you will have to face the consequences. This is what the top court has said to the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister, saying you should have tendered an apology earlier. Now, after being pulled up by the Supreme Court, the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia has now withdrawn his petition. Legal editor Harish Nair joining us with the details. Harish, give us the details of how the Supreme Court has pulled up the Delhi Deputy Chief Minister and his response.
Yes, that's right, Pratibha. After pulled up by the Supreme Court, Manish Sisodia has withdrawn his petition challenging the Guwahati High Court's order, which has refused to quash the criminal defamation case filed against him by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul told Sisodia's lawyer Abhishek Singhvi, if you reduce public debate up to these levels, you have to face the consequence. You should have tendered an unconditional apology earlier rather than going to run into High Court and coming to Supreme Court. Remember, in August this year, a court in Guwahati had summoned Sisodia to appear on September 29 in a defamation case filed by the Assam Chief Minister. Sarma had lodged a criminal defamation case against Sisodia over allegations he made during a press conference linking Sarma's wife, Riniki Bhuyan Sarma, in a corruption case in the supply of personal protection equipment in 2020, when there was a shortage of PPE kits in the state. Remember, Sarma was the Health and Family Welfare Minister in 2020 during first BJP-led state government. Singhvi, for appearing for Sisodia, said he never said that she received the money. I have not said that she is corrupt. But then Justice called short back, saying if you reduce public debate up to this level, you have to face the consequences. You should have tendered an unconditional apology earlier itself. Now go and prove it before the court. On being informed that statement was made during COVID, Justice Kaul said instead of realizing what the country is going through, all you are doing is making accusations. Someone in those urgent times have done something. If you strongly feel about something, you should have the right to defend. The choice is yours. Do you want to withdraw or we will dismiss it? So very, very significant observation coming in from the bench led by Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, forcing Sisodia to withdraw his petition challenging the defamation case filed against him by the Assam Chief Minister. Back to you.
Harish, thank you for joining us with those details. The Supreme Court refusing to grant any relief. On that note, we're slipping